I'm setting up my Gentle Frog Xero account, I realized that I accidentally set up my credit card as an account type bank rather than account type credit card. Let me show you how I know this. I can go to accounting, I can go to chart of accounts. If I look for my credit card, you can see that it's a bank and it's set up as an asset, but your credit card is a liability. I thought I could come in here and click on the name, change this drop down to credit card, and then select save, but it doesn't seem to be changing it to a credit card. So if you find yourself in this predicament, I'm just going to show you how to turn it off and then re-add it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'm going to choose delete. It's going to say it can't be deleted, so it'll be archived. Fine. I just need it out of my list because it's wrong. Okay, now it's gone from the list. Let's go ahead and re-add that credit card, and this time let's do it correctly. So I clicked on add an account before. Bank of America. Let me just do setup later and add this without the bank feed. Okay, account type credit card. So Bank of America credit card. Save and continue. Oh, the last 4 digits. Let's go with 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am able to set it up as a credit card. So now I can connect the bank feeds, or I can get information and just upload it. So let me go ahead and connect the bank feeds. I've entered my username, my password, I got my 2-factor code, and I'm going to say share my data. I'm going to connect the card that's in my pocket, and I'm not going to connect the corporate card. I'm going to choose continue. My start date, I'm just going to have it pull from January of this year. And then I'll click finish. I could have done that in the first place without setting it up disconnected. I just wanted to make sure that I set it up as a credit card after not setting it up as a credit card the first time. If you find yourself in the same situation, if you have transactions in your account, you probably shouldn't do what I did, because archiving it doesn't get rid of the transactions. But if you're in the very beginning of setup, you can absolutely archive it because you're just hiding it from the list and there's no transactions that have been posted incorrectly. My Xero series is going to be more me walking through learning or relearning how to use Xero. I used it quite a bit in 2021 and in 2022, but now it's 2025 and I stopped using it for a couple of years. So I find myself in the position of relearning and referencing this book. This book is amazing. I'm very thankful for it. So you're never going to hire me for Xero training like you can for QuickBooks training. But if I can share what I'm learning as I'm learning it, either it's a video that helps someone or it's a video that you skip over because you didn't make the same mistake I did. Okay, thanks. Bye.